Hi, this is Sumit. I'm an e-commerce exporter and a business coach. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the export of fertilizers from India. One product that I have been exporting from India to South Africa, that's nano urea. There's a product which is revolutionizing the whole fertilizer industry, and that's the liquid form of the urea. So instead of one whole bag of urea, you just require 1 liter of urea. Let me share you with this interesting fact that if you search about fertilizers in Amazon, you can see about $80,000 worth of sale. This particular product got the last month. That means about 60 lakh rupees. Same with 1,000 people bought this product, 4,000 people bought this product last month only. 1,000 sales. And so that means even in Amazon, people are buying fertilizers, which I was not even knowing. Same way, if you go to Etsy.com, here also you can see a lot of these fertilizers are listed. Lazada, this is a Singapore's website. Here also you can see fertilizers are listed. And this is Japan's website, Rakuten, here also. And this is Noon.com, this is Dubai's website. Interestingly, people across the world, they have a backyard, they have a lawn. That means in front of their houses, they maintain this kind of gardens. So I was exploring this opportunity. There's a brand which is from the government. This is called IFCO. IFCO has got an interesting concept of nano urea, which is one bottle urea, and they can be spread through liquid form in big agricultural lands, and this has been revolutionizing the agriculture sector. So today I'm bringing to you the plug-and-play e-commerce startup business opportunity of fertilizers and exports of these soil additives. I will be providing you the e-commerce store. I'll be providing you the contact of the manufacturers of these fertilizers so that you can list them, and also I'll be teaching you how to find these suppliers who are credible and their products can be sold. And trust me, if these products you start selling, you will be able to make great amount of profits. The transaction size starts at a few $1 million in India, and it can go as big as multi-million dollar deals. So the export of fertilizers from India is a big time business opportunity. So I highly recommend you to get started with the business that you can do. And yes, you do not have to invest any single amount of money in this. I'll be guiding you on how to build this e-commerce business, how to start listing them into the portal, and how to start finding the buyers. For buyers, I'll also provide you the buyers data so that you can contact these buyers data and start making sales. About 5 to 6 crores every single month people are able to generate revenue. This is a very small amount of business revenue I'm talking about. In fertilizers exports, people are making big time business, and this is where you can also get into this. E-commerce can be best way for this because you can list all these different fertilizers into the e-commerce store, and people who are interested, they can buy the samples from the store. Once they get the sample, they like the product, then they can order to buy in bulk. That can be as big as like 100,000 tons order also, because these fertilizers have a regular requirement in the global market. Now let's explore how do we help you in building this e-com business, which can be of bulk deal, bulk export, and you can make some serious profits out of this. So for this, I'm providing you this ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce store builder. This is my own store, and here you can see I have listed my own products. This is the back end of my store. This is not the front end. So this is my 30-day sales. This is my lifetime of sales. I started just a few months back only, and I will be giving you these different themes so that you can simply get started with the e-com business. And along with this, I'll also provide you complete training on how to do sales, how to do digital marketing, how to do export of products from India, how to generate leads of buyers, and also I'll be giving you the e-commerce certification, which is government approved and which is globally valid, with practical training and ongoing support from my team. You'll be getting lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support from mentors at IIC. So even if you are a working professional, you want to switch to a full-time business, you can get started with this. Fertilizers as a business, I told you, is a lucrative industry. You can simply get started with this plug-and-play e-commerce business, which I'll be giving you with the mentorship guidance plus the suppliers data and the buyers data. It will become very easy for you to run this business. It will be an automated business. Maybe making 50-60 lakhs per month is an easy thing here. In the worst case scenario, even if you're making today in a job a few lakh rupees, you can still make it 8 to 10 lakh rupees a month. I'm talking about in the e-commerce business. This is my profile. I work with many entrepreneurs and experts across the e-commerce export sector, and I'm quite passionate for this. I like helping entrepreneurs and individuals so that they can start selling online. I previously worked with Alibaba Group and Amazon with Government of India's many departments. So this experience of mine as a consultant, as an e-commerce entrepreneur, I think I can add a lot of value in you. So this institute is fully valid and approved with the different ministries of Education, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, then Tata Group, EDII, Amazon, Alibaba, and WTO, and many more. Just not about fertilizers, we are also having many other niches which are divided in these many different sectors. If you want to start a business of food products or even fashion products or cosmetic products, you think about the niche, and we have that ready-made e-com business opportunity. So you can venture into any of the business niche that you are interested for. You can have a one-on-one conversation with our team, and we'll assist you with building this e-commerce business from scratch. So this whole business opportunity that I'm showing you today, this generally should cost at least 20 to 25 lakh rupees if you get started by yourself, but you don't have to invest a lot of money like that. You will get the mentorship, you'll get the plug and play store builder, the databases of potential buyers, suppliers, and also ongoing support for lifetime. So this entire plug and play access of the business opportunity I'm providing you in a very small amount of money that you can invest in. And you can also have a credit card based EMI. So you can just go for 24 months EMI, and the cost will be less than 5,000 rupees a month. So this will be the low cost business opportunity where you can simply get started with e-commerce export business of fertilizers and agriculture related products, which can be sold in bulk quantities online, and it can be a great business opportunity for you. So I want you to take this decision to start your e-commerce business with IIEC, whether you want to get started with fertilizers or you want to get started with any niche. We can help you with building your successful e-commerce entrepreneurship journey with IIEC. So join us today and start your successful career.